I'm applying my notebook paper rooster above the light outlet. This rooster was a lot of fun to make. I drew him on notebook paper. That's why I call him a notebook paper rooster. And then I used acrylic paints to color in the different colors to make him a full color rooster. I'm just pressing the sticker above the light switch. Just a great place to put a bird. Just a reminder for the work that I've done. So the acrylic paints that I used was a red acrylic paint, a golden brown, black for the feathers, blue for the feathers, that golden, a little bit of that golden brown in for some more feathers. And I